make the girls dance.
Ain't looking for enemies, but I ain't playing nice. The way you're testing me and look me in the eyes. Want some of my own candy, I'd love to see you try. Ain't nothing real about the way you look tonight. 'Cause I know in the morning you'll be waking up all alone, posing all over your story with nothing to hold with your phone. You got it bad, all up in your head. Know you obsessed. Think that you cool, but you ain't got a crown. Be watching and learning, 'cause I show you how. Looking at me like you want my man. What the fuck? What the fuck?
You show me love and then spit in my face. Making your money off all of my pain. You put an eagle inside of a cage, and you think I'm not strong enough to escape. But I refuse to let you make me feel like I can't fly. Not only will I soar again, I'll own the fucking sky. Yeah. So I put my middle finger up. I'm done being your slave. My generation's had enough, and you should be afraid.
I buried the unseemly urges deep down in the ground with the roots, but it's all coming up to the surface. Maybe it's getting ready to bloom, and I don't wanna be a monster in the making. I don't wanna be more bitter than sweet. I don't know how to be just standing by blankly, not getting angry. 'Cause another and another coming up out of the gutter till I'm drowning in an ocean of entitled motherfuckers, and they're pushing all my buttons, but they never seem to wonder why another and another ask each other, does it get your blood boiling? Does it make you see red? Do you wanna destroy it? Does it get in your head?
Some days you're the only thing I know, only thing that's burning when the nights grow cold. Can't look away, can't look away. Beg you to stay, beg you to stay, yeah. Sometimes you're a stranger in my bed. Don't know if you love me or you want me dead. Push me away, then beg me to stay, beg me to stay, yeah. Call me in the morning to apologize. Every little lie gives me butterflies. Something in the way you're looking through my eyes. Don't know if I'm gonna make it out alive. Fight so dirty, but your love so sweet. Talk so pretty, but your heart pop tea. Late night devil, put your hands on me. And never, 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 ever let go. People say I try too hard. People say I come off really awkward. You know I don't mean no harm. I'm just trying to be myself, but sometimes I get confused, 'cause I can't read social cues. Through my inhibitions out the door. I don't have an excuse, I'm just living in my youth. Don't know why people don't like me more. I have no friends, but that's okay. I don't need them anyway. I do my best all on my own, and I'd just rather be alone, rather be alone. I have no friends, but I'll be fine. I don't need them to pass the time. And when I put my wrist in this face on, it looks stone cold. I'd just rather be alone, rather be alone. I have no friends.
Time. He comes alive at midnight. My mama doesn't trust him. He's only here for one thing, but
doesn't feel alright, but every day I feel like dying. Every day I feel like dying.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.